There are other tutorials that go into more detail with EasyBib, but for the purpose of this scavenger hunt, we will do a quick introduction and you will demonstrate an understanding of EasyBib. First, we go to easybib.com. You will set up a free account. Once your account is set up, the drop-down menu will show you a number of options for your account. When your account opens, you will see citation lists, and I have created the list. You can see where I've created Scavenger Hunt. I'm going to click on that, and that means that everything I add will stay in this particular folder. I'm going to create a citation. Throughout the course, you will find different ways to cite any number of different projects. For example, there are ways of citing newspapers, film, video, online database, Bible, etc. The list goes on to 59 items. For this purposes, for the scavenger hunt, we're going to just do a website. I've given you a citation to use. Let's go find a different one for this demonstration. I randomly found a website. This is the website. I click on this, and what I want to do is go up here to the URL, copy it. Now I go back over to my EasyBib project, and I'm going to paste that here, and it searches. Once it's found the location, which hopefully it will, but I have other tutorials when it does not, cite that. And that shows you everything that EasyBib was able to find. Continue. And now I'm going to fill out anything else that might be left on that website, such as an author's name. On this website, I'm going to look through to see if there was an author of this particular article. Sometimes they will simply assign content to staff editors. I don't see a name for the person who might have written this article. If I did, normally it would be right up in here. Let's go back over to the citation. There was not an author, so I'm going to leave that blank, but I did notice that it was published in 2020. And now I simply complete the citation. And it's in that same folder that I just created for the scavenger hunt. Now, it's going to want me to review my information because I did not find an author. So I can review it, and I see that it's the same. That's all I could find on it, so I ignore that. Okay? Normally for an essay, I would have repeated this process over and over and over and had a long list of citations. But for this scavenger hunt, this is all I'm required to do. So I go to Export. Always a Word document. Never Google Docs. They always mess it up. Always Word. And now I come up with this. I'm going to export this. And a second later, down in my bottom tray, there will be my works cited. Now remember, you need to do this on a computer. You can't do this on a phone. People have tried. Even phone wizards have tried. And folks, it just doesn't work. Now the citation has opened. We simply enable editing. And on your document that you've created for the test, you would just copy this and paste that into the answer to this particular question. Yay, super simple. Remember, you can replay this video as many times as necessary to follow that step-by-step procedure. Remember, export is the final phase of the citation process.